Hey everyone, so this will just be a very quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This is green. Hopefully we'll be able to tell this once we get out of the box here. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and pause the video. Yeah, so this is the 44mm one in green. Alright, so one half of the box, other half of the box. In the last exciting half of the box, you get the charger, which is this wireless dongle thingy here, and then of course your quick start guide. See, it's for both the Watch 4 and the Classic. And of course the more exciting part is the watch itself. This is green. Through the camera it actually looks kind of blue. It's just a very dark green. The side is also green here. Those are wondering, because I know I was before this. This is all green. The back here is black. And of course you have your screen. You have the sensors there, the many sensors this watch has. And this comes with a medium large band. And it is 20mm. And here it is on my pretty small wrist. And there it is next to Garmin Fenix 6X. It's actually almost similar size. I have it on the very last hole there that I can have it on. Otherwise it would not fit me too well. I like I'm having it. It's pretty snug. This is still kind of loose. So yeah, that is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So you get the watch, the charger, and this. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. If you guys want to see me do a review of this, just let me know. I don't know how to see what I can do, but I'm excited to get this thing charged up and get it going. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.